guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing video is going to be the Fall FabFitFun box. I am super excited to open this box. I've already seen a couple of teasers and I have my add-ons to share with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Fall FabFitFun, then just keep watching. Okay, I feel like when I go to edit this, I'm going to hate the way my eye makeup looks. Especially because I'm looking on my screen right now and it looks like I have a flat face. I'm testing a bunch of new makeup and I'm not really digging much of it, but I also have a very limited time that I can film, so you guys are gonna have to forgive me for my raccoon eyes. I do apologize, but that's not what this video is about. This is about what I got in my Fall FabFitFun. I'm sure there's not many of you out there, but if any of you are unfamiliar with the FabFitFun box, it is a seasonal subscription box, so you get 4 different boxes a year. It costs $49.99 to subscribe, and there's always a retail value of over $200 worth of product. I looked online last night, and my box has over $371 worth of merchandise, which is so cool. And then they have add-ons, so they have a bunch of different products from a bunch of different companies that they offer at a super steep discount. So I have some of those to share with you guys, and I'm going to share those first. So first and foremost, they had a bunch of Kate Spade mugs on there for like $9. So I got, of course, myself one of each, being a little greedy, but I'm obsessed with coffee and I needed new travel coffee mugs. So I got this one that says cold hand warm hearts. Super cute. And then I got just the staple black and white stripe Kate Spade mug, and I actually picked up 3 of these, 1 for myself and 2 for gifts. So there are those 2 for gifts. And then last but not least, there's this white and gold one, which I thought was also really cute. It kind of almost looks like sweater knitting when you look up close. So really excited about these. Excited to drink my morning coffee in them on the way to work. I really tried to control myself on this FabFitFun add-on order, so I only have 2 other products to share with you guys. One of them is from Riogeo. It is their Scalp Revival Charcoal and Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner. I am so excited to try this. I've been trying charcoal hair products, and there's a couple out there that I really liked and really felt like made a difference with my hair. I have been trying to take my hair care a little bit more seriously and really invest in good hair care because I've suffered a lot of hair damage over the course of the last 2 years, and any help I can get to my hair is necessary, which brings up another point. My hair is also just ridiculous. I'm filming this after work, and I basically did my makeup over my makeup that I already did for the day, and then it was a crazy day at work, so my hair just ended up in this blob. So my apologies for this hot mess, you guys. Then I also picked up a Guerlain Alchemist product. So if you guys haven't seen my 8 skincare brands I want to try in 2018, Guerlain Alchemist was actually one of the brands, and I was really excited and fortunate that the last FabFitFun box I was also able to do a Guerlain Alchemist add-on. So I'm really excited now to be getting to try a couple of products from Guerlain Alchemist and knock off one of the brands I wanted to try on my list. So I picked up the Age Repair Moisturizer Photo Peptide and White Tea Extract. This comes in a really cool kind of just sleek tube, and this is just supposed to be a moisturizer. I hope this is a facial moisturizer. Ugh, I hope it is. Okay, it is. It says apply with smooth upward and outward motions from the center of the face, neck, and décolletage. I'm excited about this. I've heard that this is a really moisturizing product, which I definitely need in the wintertime. This is also a really expensive product. I swear the normal retail value for this might be $65. So part of me hopes that I don't absolutely fall in love with it, but I'm really excited to give this a try, and I'll let you guys know in a future video whether or not I think this is worth the retail value or not. Alright guys, that is all I had gotten for add-ons, so now we'll jump into the actual box. Alright, so we open it up, and this is what the inside of the box looks like. From upside down, this looks like the Real Housewives. It's definitely not. Okay, so you get this magazine that explains all of the products in your box. To me, not really that interested in that. It looks like we got a coupon for $50. It's a $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 boxes at HelloFresh with free shipping. I've been really interested to try HelloFresh. You guys will have to let me know in the comment box below if you have ever tried this service. I just am a really bad cook, and a part of me, like, I sometimes am so wasteful with my groceries. Like, I'll buy a bunch of stuff, but then I never end up making it, and I just end up either eating out or making like noodles. So a part of me is like afraid that I would use this or like use the service, but then end up not making the meals. Anyway, that's my fear, but I've always been really interested in trying a meal service like this, so you guys will have to let me know if you've used this or not. And then there's another card for $3 off a box of Luna bars on Amazon, which is exciting. I really do actually like Luna bars. You guys will have to let me know if you feel the same. And I have to share this. This is so cute. There's like a little leaf sticker right there, which I just think is adorable. So opening it up, oh, looks so beautiful. Okay, so right away I see that we have gotten a Luna bar in here. This is in the shade Cashew Butter. I'm not gonna try this right now just because I did just eat and I'm actually really full. So not gonna try it now. I'll probably toss this in my purse and have it as a snack tomorrow. And then right away I see this. This is by Skin & Co. It is their Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Let's see how this smells. It has just a really nice, clean scent to it. I have tons of shower gel right now, so I probably don't necessarily need another one. But hey, I would never complain about shower gel either because I use it and I use it a lot. So it's always nice to not have to buy another or to get one free, you know what I'm saying? So. Then I'm seeing a pair of Bluetooth headphones. This is by the brand Cobra, and it looks like these are wireless earbuds and cute. They're like, they have a little bit of pink on them too. So I personally really enjoy my big over-the-ear Beats. Those are what I use at the gym. However, I have gotten to the gym before and forgotten my headphones, which is always so frustrating. Usually I just end up leaving the gym and I don't even work out because I'm so upset, and I literally cannot work out without music on. I've done it like one time and it was the most miserable workout ever. Let me know if you feel the same way. So that being said, I'm going to toss these in my gym bag in case I ever forget my headphones, or these might be nice for like when I go for walks rather than having like my big obnoxious headphones for walks. Either way, I'm excited to have these. Ooh! Next up, I got 2 of the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks. These are the Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks. Freaking love bubble masks and I love sheet masks, and I've actually been really interested in trying these. I almost picked one of these up during the Sephora VIB customer appreciation sale, but I think they're like $9, so I decided against it. So I'm really excited to have these. So next we got this Yoga Detox Bath Post. I cannot speak today. Cannot speak. We got this Yoga Detox Bath Post-practice relaxing soak ritual. So basically it is just a bath soak, and I freaking love bath soaps. Bath soaks. Bath salts is what I'm trying to say. I like bath salts. So I'm really excited to use this. I have recently been getting into yoga. I really enjoy hot yoga. It's super fun, challenging, and a great workout, but I've really been getting into it. So this says, after an intense yoga or workout regimen, soothe and relax your muscles with Cusio. I'm probably totally mispronouncing that. Anyway, with this detox bath. So I love baths and I think I'm really gonna enjoy this. Next up, it looks like we got some homemade pretty towels. Looks like some kitchen, like hand dish rags, which is really exciting because I am all about kitchen dish rags. Actually, I love to seasonally like swap mine out, and for some reason I really enjoy kitchen dish rags. These are really cute. They have a cute like gray striped pattern, so I'm excited for these. These feel like actually really nice and really good quality too. So yeah. Next up, super exciting, we got a beauty blender. Now I am not one to personally go out and purchase or pay $20 for a beauty blender anymore, especially when there's so many great drugstore options. My personal favorite sponge is actually the Morphe sponge, and that's like really the only thing I like from Morphe anymore, with the exception of their continuous spray mist. Anyway, This is really cool that we got this in the box because while I personally wouldn't spend 20 on the Beauty Blender, I would absolutely take a Beauty Blender from the box and use it. So I got mine in this pale pink shade and I am super excited about this one. This was a really good addition. Next up, another Guerlain Alchemist product. Yes! I mean, I've tried so much from Guerlain Alchemist. I'm really excited to do my kind of ending video at the end of the year where I talk about all the products that I did actually get to try from the brands that I wanted to try and whether or not I liked the brand. So this is the Guerlain Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant with pink grapefruit and an extract that I cannot pronounce. I am super excited about this too. I've been really getting into exfoliants this year. I love the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. Like, I am absolutely obsessed. Kate Somerville was another brand that I wanted to try this year. And oh man, I've tried a couple of products only from her, but I've loved everything I've tried. So I'm really excited to try another exfoliant. I always think it's really fun to try different exfoliants because you get some that are super gentle and then you get others that are just way too harsh. So yeah, really excited about this one. You guys will have to also let me know if you've tried anything from Guerlain Alchemist and what you like or don't like, what you recommend, etc. Two more things, you guys. Okay, so this I'm so excited about. This is from Alfred and it is a French press coffee maker. Like I said, love coffee. However, I don't actually have a French press. I've considered buying one a couple of times, but I have also heard they're kind of like almost like a treat yourself type of thing because it takes some cleanup afterwards, or these just aren't like the easiest to clean. But I am super excited to be getting a French press because I've wanted one for so long. And mine looks a little bit dirty. Okay, well anyway, this also says on it, but first coffee, and then it has the little Alfred logo. So this is super cute. I can't wait to buy some coffee, make a French press, sit down and plan my YouTube videos or film my videos. I'm super excited about this. All right guys, and then the last item is this Vince Camuto bag, and I am also really excited about this. I love Vince Camuto or Vince Camuto. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I love his boots, so I'm excited to be getting this cute little tote bag. This is just black, and then on the front it has like the gray kind of stripe through it. I will say, I don't want to say it feels cheap. It's just like a little bit more flimsy than I like my bags, especially like for a tote. I'm not gonna lie, I wish it kind of had like a different bottom, but it's not like this is an unusable bag by any means. I mean, it's a nice, really big size. It fits really nicely. It actually fits really nicely on the shoulder. So yeah, I'm excited to kind of add another bag to my collection. I used to be a lot more into handbags, I'm not gonna lie. I used to like get super excited about going out to like purchase a new designer handbag, and now I'm just not really about that life. Don't get me wrong, I still want to get the Louis Vuitton Neverfull purse, and that would be like a dream come true to me. But anyway, that was a total tangent on a total another subject. Anyway, you guys, after that is going to conclude my Fall FabFitFun unboxing. You guys will have to let me know if you are subscribed to FabFitFun and what you got in your fall box. Are you considering subscribing to FabFitFun? If so, I think I have a link. I'll leave a link down below. I can leave a link for the website no matter what. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!